Hey art friends, and welcome back to the Mandakyns Channel. Today we are going to learn how to make DIY glycerin gel plates so that we can create prints and do transfers. And so to begin, we're going to take 4 packs of unflavored gelatin and empty them into a bowl. And you'll want to heat approximately a 1/3 cup of water, distilled water, to boiling. Then take 6 ounces or 2/3 of a cup of vegetable glycerin and place that into a bowl and whisk in your gelatin. Then dissolve the gelatin and glycerin in the hot water. And so I also place that into the microwave for a few moments to ensure that everything is combined, and I go ahead and spoon that out into a flat bottom dish. Then I spritz it with a little bit of 70% alcohol in order to break the surface tension and create a smooth mold. Now, upon unmolding it, and what I like to do generally is to pop one of the sides with a rounded butter knife, but you can also take and place it into a bath of hot water, but generally this is enough for me. And then I just use my hands to pull it out. I'm placing it here on a piece of baking paper, and I'm showing you that it kind of has a pebbled texture. So what I decided to do was to cut it up and place it back into the microwave and allow it to set up again. For some reason, when I place it back into the microwave, not only does it turn it more of an amber color, but it also seems to help it smooth out. My experience has been that it is generally pebbled the first attempt, and on the second attempt it is fairly smooth and clear. So here I am demonstrating that I am breaking the surface tension with the alcohol, and I have already demolded this, but I am showing you the finished product here. I am using this laminate pocket in order to store that in. So thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a like, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell underneath the video so that you don't miss any more upcoming videos. Thanks so much for watching, and happy arting.